burp or something.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel if you're a returning viewer, and welcome to my channel if you're new here. It's me, Miss Eileen, and today I'm coming at you with a Create a Sim video. What is this what is the purpose for this Create a Sim video? I don't know. The purpose is that I just felt like doing a Create a Sim. So this sim isn't necessarily for anything. It's not for like a new Let's Play or anything. It's not even for like a new current household. I just got into the mood of creating sims. Do you ever get in like a creative kind of mood? If you are a cast simmer, then I feel like you understand what I'm saying when it's like, I just want to make a new sim. That's it. That's all. Let's see, I recorded this Create a Sim probably like 2 months ago, along with my last video that was uploaded. That was filmed and edited about a month ago. Like 2 months ago. So I'm a little like late. School started. I'm no longer in school, but I volunteer my time at a local high school and kind of help out with their marching band program. So that's what I've been doing school-wise, and then of course I've also had my actual job that I do, so it's been a little busy. Here it is. Here's the voiceover. Just talking to you, just catching up while you watch the Create a Sim go on in the background. Yeah, I started like a separate save file, so it's basically like an alternate universe. Is that what I would call it? An alternate universe? For my save file with my Island Living Let's Play in the household from my Discover University Let's Play. So there's that save file, and then I just made a copy of it, and so now we're like a bit into the future. A lot of people are dead. I'm pretty sure like my whole Discover University household is dead in that save file. They died of old age, obviously. Okay? I didn't kill them off or anything. Like, no, I let them live their own peaceful, happy lives. But I also wasn't playing as them because it's like, okay, you play with a household for so long for like Let's Play purposes, and then you're just like, oh my gosh, okay, love this household, but also like I need to play with other Sims. Like, come on, I need to mix it up a little bit, alright? So I slept pretty good last night. I got like 7 hours. Fell asleep at around 12. Woke up around like 7-ish. I think that's like, yeah. Woke up around 7-ish. So I'm actually not feeling bad. What gets me feeling really gross is if I wake up past like 9 o'clock in the morning. I realize that I wake up with a migraine, and then I'm hungry, and then I don't want to get out of bed, but I don't want to stay in bed, because if I stay in bed, then I'm gonna get a bigger headache, and yeah. I feel like if I wasn't in a good mood, then I probably would not have recorded this voiceover today. Some candles are burning in the background, not to mention I have my wax melter on, which I do need to go check up on that in a little bit. My wax is probably all the way melted, and yeah, I'm getting a call from my husband, so please hold. Just making her some custom eyeshadow shades. I probably got some new custom content. That's usually what happens. You go CC shopping, and then immediately you're like, alright, let's try everything out. Let's see how everything looks. I should do a only CC Create a Sim. That'd be fun. But that means I would need to get more custom content. Like, I don't find a whole lot. So I'm on Tumblr, I'm looking on Tumblr, I'm on the Sims resource, I'm looking there. So, you know, if you got any good recommendations for Maxis Match content creators, for male Sims specifically, please let me know. Alright, well, this is the end of the video. If you did like it, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Feel free to comment and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I will speak to you in the next video. Bye!